Hey there, it's Andre with Garage Door Guidance again. Just want to do a quick video on how to replace the backup battery on a Liftmaster 8500. So if your battery's dead, it's going to be beeping just like a smoke detector would do, and it is very annoying. So this is something you would want to either just unplug the battery or replace it. I definitely recommend replacement just because they're not expensive and it's very easy to do. I'll put a link down in the description below on the one that I would recommend, the one that I would use. All you have to do is lift that cover up. The battery is just right here in this little square compartment. There's just one little Phillips screw here. Very easy to do. Just unscrew that. Got our screw off. Just grab it right here. And that cover comes out. So that's what this backup battery looks like. And again, if you don't want to replace it, you could just unplug it from the two terminals right there. It's not going to do any harm. At which point you would just be running off of your power like you usually would on a standard opener. So to replace it, just unplug it, get your new battery, plug it back in, plug the new battery back in, put the compartment cover back on. And you should be good to go. So with the new battery installed, you should have about another 4 to 5 years out of that guy, and that'll get you a new start on that. Again, you could just unplug it if the beeping is annoying until you are able to get a replacement. Now, if you've got a standard garage door opener where it's mounted in the middle, process is the same. You would just bring down one of the light covers there, find that same compartment, and unscrew it, replace the battery just like we did here. And I'll link that battery down in the description below. But other than that, that's about it for replacing the battery. Hopefully that was helpful. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.